She got 3 right there. She got 3 stuck right here. I was trying to hurry to get the video, but it didn't really work out. I got a score of 1,000,000. I want to see what she gets. Oh, see, she got 2. She got 2 there. 2.
There's 2 again?
Yeah, there's 2 stuck right there. Yeah. 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 She got 1 stuck, unstuck. Still 1 there. Still. I played already, and I got like 100 million. Oh no, 1,000,000, and I got like 400, and I was doing so good. And yeah, this is to bother Leah. Now she has to enter the initials, even though she trapped the ball. Okay, now what's your initials?
Alright, can't see.
Let's see. 2 L's. Nice. 2 I's. Right?
Take photos. Take photos. I'm good with my. Would it be
Yeah, she only got 9, guys. She didn't get anything. Oh my gosh. She lost the ball.
Stop. You're blocking my view.
Oh my gosh. There's so many balls. Multi-balls. Wow. Another 1. Oh, 2 stuck now. Wow.
Can you move out of the way? I can't see.
Strongest. I got stuck again.